The next assignment we're going to do is called Textstyles. You're going to go onto the internet and you're going to find a picture that you like, and you're going to go ahead and save it to your home drive. And you're going to create a folder there called Textstyles, and in that folder you'll put this picture as well as the rest of the files that you're going to be working on for this assignment. So I've gone to the internet and I found a picture here, and what we're going to do is the whole project is we're going to be using the text tool, and then we're going to be enhancing the text with Textstyles, and that's the name of the assignment, is Textstyles. So here we have our image, and so we'll go over to the toolbar and you'll see where the T is. That's our text style. And remember, any tool that we use, the variables are right up here on the menu, and usually when we give you a command it will be up here. Here are all the variables that we'll be using, and if you'll notice, if you change tools, these variables here change. And so we're going to be on the text tool, and these are all the variables that deal with your text. And so we'll just go ahead and go over to our image. It's initializing the type tool right now. It usually doesn't take very long. Then just go to your canvas here that you've created, and you'll just click on it, and you'll notice where you can go ahead and start typing. And what you're going to do is you're going to type 10 words. Each word will have a different font. Each of those words will also have a different font and a different text style. And so that's the whole project, is 10 words that go with your image, and each of those are different fonts and also different text styles. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I'll go ahead and just type one word, and I'll go beach. A little slow today here. Come on. Okay, there we go, beach. Computer's being a little slow today. And you'll notice over here on the layer palette, it's important to be always aware of the layer palette because it tells you what layer you're working on. If the layer palette isn't here, go up to Windows, Layers, and click on it, and then it will appear. And right now I have it, so I don't have to worry about it. And I'm going to be making sure that this top layer is active, and that's the one that has my word beach on it. Now, if I double click on this little thumbnail, it highlights this, and I can change up here a number of things. I can change the type of font that I want to use. I can change the size of it. I can change the color of it right here. So let's say I wanted it blue, and then all of a sudden it would change it blue also. Now if I want to change the font, just go over here and highlight the font categories where it's highlighted, and then if you use your arrows on your keyboard, you can go up and down. You'll notice that the text will change as you go to different fonts. And so you just want to go through one that you like, and I like this one right here, and you just click off of it, and there it is. Now the last thing we need to do for this word here is we need to add a text style. So we'll go over here to, on the layer palette on the bottom, this FX. If you click on that, you'll notice all of these different text styles. And right now we're just going to use a drop shadow on that one. You'll notice automatically it did something. Usually when I'm working with these, I like to go 100%. I like to go normal. And then I can use any of these variables right here to kind of give a different look to it. And as you do it, you'll notice it will change a little bit. And then once you have it the way that you like it, you just go OK. And let me just show you real quick. If I turn off the preview right here, it goes on and off, and that's the difference. It just enhances the text. That's what a text style does. And go OK. Now if I wanted to change the size of it, I could again double click on that thumbnail and come up here to the size, and I can kind of change it to where it's a different size. And then with the placement tool, I can go ahead and move that wherever I want it. Okay, that's one. Now I have to do 10 more of those words, and each of those words will go along with my picture that I've chosen.